and I'm still going goo-goo over 2018 Leaf Trinity. If you didn't watch the first break, I would advise you to do that, or suggest that you do that, not advise you. That sounds like I'm bullying you into watching a video. It was a good break. It was very solid. It had a good hit at the end, and yeah, there I explain my love for this product and how I didn't get it at first, and then the price came way down. Luckily I caught it on sale and was able to get a couple of boxes, so here we are. So since I did all that yapping in the first video, I'm not going to do it this time. We're just going to get to it and open up these gorgeous cards. This stuff is everything. So many big names you could pull out of here, and even when you just get, you know, like a lower tier rookie that we don't know much about yet, they're still like incredible cards. Alright, last time we did it where I just pulled cards from behind the top of the box. I think that worked, so we'll just do it again. Actually, we can do it like that. Oh, okay. Let's do this. They're floating around here, so that's not good. Alright, we're starting off with a clear, which I got. Oh, Seth Beer. That's not bad. He's actually considered a good prospect. These are not numbered, the clear ones. Well, I don't know, others might be, but this purple version is not. This type of card was the last card I pulled in the first box, but we're starting off with it this time. Alright, we have Cole Roederer, second round pick in the 2018 MLB draft. God, these personalized cards are just, I mean, it's really nice that they got them to do that. I'm surprised they were willing to. Because honestly, as much as I love and respect the players, I know that it's tough for some of these companies to get them to sign and to get them to write personalized messages too. Wow. Of course, they are still rookies. Alright, this one is thick. Let's see what it is. Oh, Taylor Widener. Look at that patch. I wish I could read that. Obviously, it says League Baseball, and this looks like it says, I'm trying to get it, base maybe? Anyways, these patches are, I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. Alright, that's number, where are we at? That's number 3 already. Damn it. That's the bad thing about these breaks, it goes too fast. Oh, Marte, look at that patch. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is crazy. Again, though, I was saying it in the first break, a lot of these are not numbered. You would just think they would be, but nope. Not even this. No, we've got 4 cards so far, and none of them are numbered. Alright, number 5. If I can get it out. 5 out of 10, Ryan Rollison. We see that he's a big fella. He wears a 2X. Made in USA. Looks like it says something merchandise. With pinstripes. Again, just really nice patch. Obviously, this is like a red or ruby parallel. Numbered out of 10. Alright. I think this is the last one. I felt it is thin. Let's see what it is. Could be a redemption, or nope, it's another clear auto. Who is it? Oh, Peter Alonso. What? I forgot about him being in this stuff. Holy smokes. Hang on, I'll put it up here. You can actually see it. That is nice. I forgot about him completely. I was thinking Vlad, Acuna, all these other names, and completely, man, I wish I had gotten a patch card of his. I mean, this is sweet, but a patch card would have been really nice. Wow. Well, I was in love with this stuff, and it delivered. Man, that is so much fun. Let's go back through them real quick. The Alonso, the Rollison, crazy patch to 10, the personalized Roederer, the Taylor Widener patch. Oh, this Marte crazy patch. and Seth Beer. I think this box is probably better than the first. I don't know. Comment below. Let me, if you watched both the videos, comment below and let me know which one you like better. I'm curious to see what you guys think. Alright, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I have so much more stuff on the way. I have more mail days. I have new products. I have some older products. I have everything. Thanks so much, everybody. I love you guys, and I'll see you again soon.